Welcome to the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School. Digital Class Level 6 Cambridge Global English. Third day. Student Learning Outcome. After taking this class, students will be able to understand and express humor. This class will extend their knowledge of the genre and how this author uses humor. It will also develop an enjoyment of novels and literacy. After taking this class, they will be able to use grammar and spelling correctly, and it will also enhance their vocabulary. Dear students, look at the picture on the slide and guess who is this person. Dear students, let's have a short introduction of Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl was born in 1916 and died in 1990. He was a British writer of novels, short stories and film scripts. He best known for his children's books. He was born in Llandaff, Wales, to Norwegian parents and educated at Repton, a boarding school for boys. He worked for the Shell Oil Company in Britain and Africa from 1933 to 1939 and enlisted in the Royal Air Force at the start of World War II. He first served as a fighter pilot, but after a plane crash in 1942, he worked in the British Embassy in Washington, D.C. as assistant air attaché until 1945. While in the United States, he published stories of his flying adventures in Saturday Evening Post and wrote his first children's book, The Gremlins, in 1943. So this was the short introduction of Roald Dahl. His famous works, as you know, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, BFT, Mr. Fantastic, Mr. Fox, Fantastic Mr. Fox, etc. Dear students, what Roald Dahl novels have you read? And how many novels of Roald Dahl have you read? Can you name them? And which novel is your favorite novel and why? Dear students, in this class you will read Mr. Twits. It's very interesting and very funny character, and it's very interesting story. You will definitely enjoy this novel. Dear students, you have to read page number 1, Hairy Faces, and you have to underline at least 10 nouns. As you know, nouns are naming words of things, naming words of persons, naming words of places. So you have to underline. It's quite easy. Dear students, open your book at page number 2. You have to read Mr. Twits. Read page number 2 and 3 and you have to underline adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives describe good or bad qualities. Adjectives also describe color, size and shape. So it's very easy. You have to describe and underline adjectives, at least 5 adjectives. Dear students, from these pages you have to describe verbs. Verbs are action words like sleep, wake, read, write, kick, play, jump. These all are action words and these are called verbs. So you can easily underline verbs from these pages. Dear students, open your book on page number 6 and 7. In these 2 pages, you will read about the character of Mrs. Tweed, and you will learn about Mrs. Tweed's character. In these 2 pages, the writer is trying to say that we should always make friendship with good people. We should always keep good and positive friends in our life. If we make friendship with bad and negative people, the bad habits of that person, we should adopt that negative habits day by day of that negative person and that negative friend. So we should always keep good friends. We should always make friendship with good and positive people, because negative thoughts make our face and mind dirty. So we should always think positive thoughts. Dear students, we learn from Mrs. Tweed's character that we should make friendship with good and positive people. If we surround ourselves with negative and nasty people, then we will become negative person. Because with each passing day, we will adopt that negative habits. So we should always surround ourselves with radiant, happy and positive people, and we too will spread positive rays of lovely light wherever we go. Dear students, let's move towards home task. Give answers of these questions on A4 paper. Question number 1. Why do you think Roald Dahl has spent so much time developing the characters at the beginning of the story? In my point of view, Roald Dahl has spent so much time on developing the characters at the beginning of the story because students can understand the characters very well, and in this way they will take interest in the story and they will understand the story in a good manner. Question number 2. What have we learned about Mr. and Mrs. Tweed's personalities? Mr. and Mrs. Tweed both are not nice person. What kind of people they are? They are not nice. They have negative thoughts and negative habits. Would you like to be friends with them? No, I wouldn't like to be friends with them because they are not good people. Why or why not? I wouldn't like to be friends with them because they are not good people. They are not behaving with others nicely. So, and they are always thinking negative. They have negative thoughts and negative habits, and if I make friendship with them, then I will adapt these negative habits in my personality. So I don't want to be friends with them. Thank you so much for watching this video.